Remote server management is rapidly becoming a critical differentiator for server manufacturers. In the past, server designers had to be satisfied with a good enough baseboard management solution. At Emulex, we've taken on the challenge of improving remote server management and delivered the Pilot 3, a full-featured, intuitive, and cost-effective integrated baseboard management controller for server motherboards. A key advantage of Pilot 3 is its unprecedented remote user experience via Pilot 3's ClearKVM technology to enable the industry's highest quality remote KVM and storage experience. Pilot 3's ClearKVM technology is not only designed to provide a better than being there experience for administrators, but also a more efficient way of managing servers. Now let's take a closer look at some of the key features of Pilot 3's ClearKVM technology. Pilot 3's ClearKVM technology uses graphics compression as opposed to video compression, which provides server administrators with the highest remote video quality regardless of the available connection bandwidth. Here we are viewing Pilot 3's graphics video quality as seen by a remote KVM user over a LAN environment with high bandwidth connections. The video quality is excellent as there is no blurriness or tearing, nor is there any perceptible difference in color depth, resolution loss, or frame degradation. This clip simulates a medium bandwidth DSL type link. The Pilot 3 ClearKVM technology includes a patented video snooping architecture optimized for medium to low network bandwidth. This architecture also allows Pilot 3 to perform very well in situations where the bandwidth is dynamically changing. This clip simulates a wide area network ISDN or modem type low bandwidth link. As you can see, even with lower bandwidth connectivity, Pilot 3 ClearKVM technology adjusts video quality and color depth to match available performance, allowing remote administrators to complete their tasks with no loss to operational performance. Pilot 3's ClearKVM technology assigns high priority status to the cursor's data location and transmits the data out of band. This enables more frequent cursor location updates on the local machine, eliminating most cursor synchronization issues regardless of the physical distance between the server and the remote client. Emulex Pilot 3 comes with the option to disable or enable hardware acceleration. With hardware acceleration disabled, ghosting and sluggishness may be experienced. Pilot 3's ClearKVM technology delivers an enhanced user experience through patented hardware acceleration, resulting in better cursor performance, high response time, and tracking. Text display quality is an important part of the user experience. Pilot 3 delivers crisp, clear, static and dynamic text to a remote KVM user. The Pilot 3 design allows direct access to ASCII data when a text mode is displayed. This access allows superior text rendering regardless of connection bandwidth. Cyrillic and kanji characters even appear clear, while scrolling occurs without any artifacts. With Emulex Pilot 3, you can remotely boot a server over 60 times faster than a CD-ROM. When deploying servers, IT administrators can physically go to each server and install the operating system. When the administrator is not at the server site, they will need a way to remotely access the server to perform these same tasks. Pilot 3 addresses this requirement by offering broad storage device type support and high-performance remote storage data transfer rates, allowing you to boot a server with a remote storage device. Pilot 3 is able to remotely connect up to 16 remote USB storage devices to a server. Its remote storage performance is superior to other solutions, achieving over 60 times the performance of CD-ROM. Throughput of 10 megabytes per second and peak performance of 30 megabytes per second is typical. Pilot 3 supports various device types, including virtual folder, floppy, CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, and memory stick. This is most useful when installing and operating systems from bare metal. Here we can see that the Pilot 3's remote storage performance is faster than using a directly connected DVD-ROM drive. The monitor on the left is the remote server management station, and we will boot server number 1 from a remote ISO file. The monitor on the right shows server number 2, which is booting from a DVD-ROM. These clips show the speed at which the remote server boots versus the local server. As time goes on, you will see that the Pilot 3 performance is as good as the local server. In the end, the remote server boot is actually faster than the local one. With Pilot 3, you can use function keys for critical tasks such as entering the BIOS screen during boot up. Pilot 3's remote KVM client allows for most keys to be intercepted and sent to Pilot 3. This clip shows the use of a function key to enter the BIOS screen. The Pilot 3 firmware offers 18 virtual keyboard layouts to choose from. If you're using a laptop to manage a server that doesn't have a full complement of keys, or if you do not have a special keyboard available, you can use our virtual keyboard feature to enter any key combination. Emulex Pilot 3 is the best integrated baseboard management controller available. With its ClearKVM technology, users experience fast speeds for remote management, superior graphical displays, improved cursor movement and text quality, and the ability to perform a high-speed remote boot and use a virtual keyboard, giving you even more reasons to choose Emulex Pilot 3 for your server design.